Today we're gonna apply some insecticides. During rainy seasons here, there's so many insects. You can see this. These are aphids. Look. And you can also see some flying wasps, ants, all types of insects are present during rainy seasons because it's their mating season. So today I'm gonna apply star killer insecticide. This is for Thailand, but this is actually made in Japan. It's a systematic insecticide, color magenta. So I'll just put like this small per plant near the roots. How this works? This works by root intake. When this insecticide melts, the plant will take it in through the roots, and then when any insects bites it or comes near it, it will die because it cannot eat, it cannot feed. So that's the time that those insects will die. The effects of this is 30 to 45 days. So during rainy seasons, I need to apply it every month. There's a wasp. Can you see? There's a wasp. There. So they all come here during rainy season. But during summer, hot seasons, I don't put it. I don't use this as much. So I'm gonna put insecticides every single one of my cactus. So the bigger your cactus, I'm gonna add a little bit more because it's bigger. For regular size cactus, just this much will do. There you go.